Welcome back to the Slip Sailin' channel. Now that Slip Sailin' was finally in her new home at Shoreline Marina, it was time to step aboard and begin the real work. Like many older boats, we expected to find a few things left behind by the previous owners. What we didn't expect was just how much. Honestly, it looked like they had been abducted by aliens and left everything exactly where it was. There were miles and miles of wet, moldy rope, a trash bag full of moldy life jackets, multiple anchors, and even a dock box. We were able to donate the dock box and the extra anchors, save the rope that was still usable, and haul the rest to the dumpster. But those weren't even the strangest discoveries. Inside the microwave was a bowl of what I can only describe as mystery refried beans. Out on the barbecue, we discovered what we believe had once been 4 baked potatoes. After years of sitting there, they had become so dehydrated they literally disintegrated when I picked them up. Needless to say, that grill wasn't staying. Cleaning out over 30 years of accumulated belongings took several trips. And I want to give a big thank you to our friend Kristen for helping haul donation after donation to Goodwill. We couldn't have done it without you. With the boat finally emptied, it was time to make it feel like home. The original mattresses had definitely seen better days. Besides being over 30 years old, the master stateroom mattress had rounded corners, which meant it required expensive custom sheets. After taking careful measurements, we realized that if we removed the footrail from the bed frame, we could fit a standard RV queen mattress instead. Yes, we lost a few inches of walking space at the end of the bed, but in exchange, we gained a much more comfortable mattress and the ability to buy affordable standard sheets almost anywhere. We used the same approach in the forward stateroom. The portside mattress originally had a strange angled corner that also required custom bedding. When we ordered new mattresses, we had that corner eliminated. Now the port side uses standard twin sheets, while the starboard side fits twin XL sheets perfectly. Sometimes the simplest modifications save you money every single time you make the bed. With the sleeping quarters finally comfortable, it was time to tackle my favorite part of Slip Sailin', the top deck. In fact, the upper deck is the entire reason I bought this boat. It's like having a floating patio with an incredible view of the marina. The first improvement was replacing the old canvas. Instead of installing traditional isinglass enclosures, we chose to use canvas panels across the front. I've never been a fan of isinglass. It always makes me feel like I'm sitting inside a fishbowl, and the Southern California sun can be incredibly hard on clear vinyl. Since Slip Sailin' spends most of her time doing exactly what her name suggests, sailing in the slip, we weren't worried about forward visibility while underway. The canvas gives us more shade, blocks the wind, keeps the deck cooler, and offers much more privacy while relaxing aboard. Next came a brand new barbecue, one without fossilized potatoes. We also added a new table and chairs, making the upper deck the perfect place to relax, enjoy dinner, or spend time with friends and family. Finally, we installed new cushions across the back seating area. They quickly became Jordy's favorite place on the entire boat. From his perch, he could look over the rail and spend hours watching people walk down the dock and boats cruise through the marina. Of course, once the afternoon sun heated things up, he'd move under the shade for a well-earned nap. With the boat cleaned out, comfortable, and finally beginning to feel like home, Slip Sailin' was starting to become everything we had imagined. But this was only the beginning. There are still plenty of renovations, upgrades, and adventures ahead. If you enjoy classic boats, restoration projects, and following the journey of one of the last Chris Craft yacht homes ever built, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and come along for the ride. We'll see you in the next episode.